5 most brilliant creatures in the animal kingdom. A crow can remember your face for 5 years and still teach its children to hate you. And the creature at number 1, it can actually beat adult humans in a memory test. If you think humans are the undisputed kings of intelligence, get prepared to be proven wrong. Number 5 animal is octopus, always referred to as underwater alien. This isn't just an animal. It is arguably the closest thing to an alien life form on Earth. Unlike humans, whose intelligence is locked inside a central brain, this means that if you cut off an octopus arm, the cut off arm can easily go and navigate to find food on its own. In aquariums worldwide, octopuses are notorious pranksters and escape artists. They have been caught on security cameras unscrewing jar lids from the inside, untying complex knots, and even short-circuiting overhead lights by firing precise jets of water at the electrical boxes because they preferred the dark. They have a level of spatial awareness that defies logic. If the octopus shocks you, wait till you see what the next animal can do. The creature that stands at number 4 is the crow, which is popularly known as the revenge master. Most animals look at a tool and see an object. A crow looks at the object and see a tool. But their true genius lies in their social memory. Crows can recognize human faces. If you treat a crow badly, it will remember you. It holds grudges. And if it gets crazier, it will go back to its flock, communicate your description, and teach her children and neighbors to attack you. They don't just remember, they pass down history. At number 3, we have the elephant. We have all heard the phrase, an elephant never forgets. A matriarch elephant lays her head across hundreds of miles. She can remember the exact location of tiny hidden water holes she hasn't visited in 30 years, saving her family from absolute dehydration during severe droughts. But elephants' intelligence is not just data storage, it is emotional. They are one of the only species that show deep empathy. They mourn their dead, holding silent vigils over the bones of their departed members. In Kenya, scientists discovered that elephants can listen to human voices and distinguish between different languages, genders, and ages. They know exactly which human tribes hunt them and which tribes leave them alone. If they hear the voice of an adult male from a hunting tribe, they immediately run into a defensive formation. If they hear a woman or a child from that same tribe, they don't even flinch. They know who poses a threat and who doesn't. Our number 2 spot belongs to the bottlenose dolphin, a creature in the deep ocean. Dolphins have brains that are more complex than ours in certain areas, specifically regarding emotional processing and sound navigation. They are so self-aware that they easily pass the mirror test, recognizing their own reflection rather than assuming it's a stranger. But what truly sets them apart is their language. Dolphins don't just make noise. They use what scientists call signature whistles. When a dolphin is born, it spends its first few months inventing a completely unique sequence of sounds. This becomes their name. For the rest of their lives, other dolphins in the pod will whistle that exact sound when they want to call their specific dolphin over. They are literally talking to each other using names. They also hunt with military-grade strategy, creating ring moths to trap fish and taking turns to eat. Their teamwork requires advanced planning, foresight, and abstract thoughts. Finally, we reach number 1, our closest genetic relative called chimpanzee. We share 98% of our DNA with them, so we expect them to be smart. They make spears to hunt, use medicine leaves to cure illnesses, and can learn human sign language. But there is one specific area where chimpanzees leave humans completely in the dust, and that is the short-term working memory. Look at this experiment conducted in the university. Numbers flash on a screen for a fraction of a second and instantly vanish into the blank squares. A human adult cannot remember where more than 3 or 4 of those numbers were. But a young chimpanzee, they tap the squares in perfect chronological order, 1 through 9, effortlessly in less than a second. Their brains process visual information at a speed that makes human genius look slow. They are living proof that human intelligence is just one type of intelligence. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates from us.